Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I will teach you how to make this delicious eggless bubblegum butter cookies. Most people think bubblegum is only for chewing, but it can also be used to flavor yummy sugar cookies. These little delights are the sweet treats you deserve. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Feel like you are at a candy store with this sweet treat recipe. These incredibly light cookies will bring back your childhood memories. And it is so easy to make, you have to try this recipe. These cookies taste great as it is, but if you want to take them to another level, make them fancier by making a sandwich cookie. Fill it with the vanilla cream. If you have any queries for this recipe, please write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Bye!